So there's one new feature in Samsung phones that nobody asked for, but it's something that everyone needs. I'm talking about a feature that's so useful that it needs to be copied by everyone. Not just Android makers, even Apple needs to copy this. So I'm just gonna kill the suspense here. I'm talking about the new maintenance mode in Samsung phones that arrived with the latest OneUI 5 update, and this is super useful. Now, what exactly is this maintenance mode? So this is a mode that blocks access to all your personal data, be it photos, messages, apps, when someone else is using your phone. Basically, this is aimed for times when you're handing over your phone for a repair to the service center and you don't want the service center staff to access your personal data, obviously. So how does the maintenance mode work? Let me show you. So this is the Galaxy S22 and I can just go to the settings, go to battery and device care. Here at the end there is this new maintenance mode. I can tap on it and this page tells you all the details about maintenance mode. And now I can just hit turn on and it gives a prompt to restart the phone. Now by default, it will create a system log of your usage so that the staff at the service center can identify any errors in your phone, but you can choose to restart without creating log. Now I'm going to go with the log, so when I hit restart, the log is created, which takes a couple of minutes, after which the phone restarts in this new maintenance mode. So this is the maintenance mode, and as you can see, there's no lock here, so the service center staff can access your phone to repair. There's also a notification here saying your phone is in maintenance mode, in case you didn't know. Now let me show you the data in the phone with the maintenance mode turned off and the maintenance mode turned on side by side. First of all, as you can see, I have a number of apps installed in the S22, but with the maintenance mode turned on, they're all gone. They're only pre-installed apps. Next, these are the photos I have in the gallery, but they don't show up in this mode. Even the file manager shows no files when the mode is turned on. The messages are also gone. Even the logged in accounts are gone, so nobody can access my mails or the cloud data. This is great. And I also noticed that things like developer options are disabled when this mode is turned on. Hitting build number multiple times does absolutely nothing. That's not. I also checked if you can browse through all the files via ADB and it did not work. It shows 0 files in the important folders in ADB. So yeah, this works. Now, if you're wondering if someone can just exit maintenance mode and maybe access your data, well, that requires your fingerprint or the pattern pin you have set up on your phone. So yeah, this is secure. I mean, this is something Samsung launched in Korea as repair mode in July, but now this feature is being rolled out globally for the S22 and S21 phones, with other phones set to get it by 2023. And this is one feature that's actually important because I still remember the few stories that had gone viral in the past. I mean, there was a story of an Apple repair staff leaking the personal photos of an iPhone user. Yeah, that's bad, and this just does not happen on phones. A Best Buy employee leaked the explicit photos from a student's laptop that they had brought in for repair. So these things actually happen, and this is why I say that this is a very well thought out feature, but there are a few limitations to it right now. See, a lot of times we give our phones for repair when it isn't even turning on and the phone is dead or the screen is not working, in which case you won't be able to put your phone to maintenance mode. The other point is the support staff at service centers might have tools to force factory reset your phone, in which case your data will be lost. Then there's the fact that sometimes service centers force you to factory reset your phones before you hand it over to them. So maintenance mode is a good start, but there's obviously a lot of scope for improvement. Maybe Samsung can improve this and work out a way where this automatically turns on when the service center staff connects the phone to their software, to the system. That would actually be good, right? Look, I have to say this maintenance mode is a brilliant idea by Samsung. I mean, a lot of times Android manufacturers put useless, unnecessary features to their Android skins and they bog down the system, but sometimes they add something useful, and this is one of those features. See, this is a great feature for times when you have to get a minor repair done on your phone and you don't want the service center staff to get access to any of your data. Like I said, this is a feature nobody is asking for, but it's something every one of us will find useful. So Android makers, rather than copying something as useless as, say, the dynamic island, copy this, maybe even make this better. Just saying. Anyway, have you come across a situation where you've given your phone to a service center and they've tried to access your personal data? Share your stories in the comment section down below and share this video with everyone so it reaches phone manufacturers and they bring this feature to every single phone. And also give this video a like if you found this useful. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. And wait, I also want this feature on laptops, don't you think? These are 3 important characters you need to check before buying a new laptop. Intel's U series processors are